Welcome angels and devils. Today it is me Meenamma. Sorry, Millie is not available because she is studying for her exam. So I will teach you my secret recipe of how to make ragi gold today. Don't tell that pepper, okay? Come, I'll show you the ingredients first. So first I use this utensil which already has a glass of water in it, and I will start to keep it to boil. Okay. Then we use this wooden stick, useful for hitting mangesh also. 1 tablespoon and half a glass of water. And this is something that we use to make the mixture of ragi into a goal. Okay. And we use the ragi flour. So the ragi flour will be used. First, all we have to do is take 2 tablespoons of ragi flour. And we do mix. Ragi means finger millet. It is also called as finger millet. Very rich in fiber, also good for weight loss, and also very helpful for my husband Mangesh. He has diabetes now. After doing mix, we have to wait for the water to make gudu sound. The main important process in making ragi gold is gudu sound. Now the ragi flour and water mixture is ready. And the water in the utensil has started making gudu sound. Add a pinch of salt to the water and now add the mixture. After you add the mixture, take the wooden stick and start stirring it constantly until there are no lumps. And then you have to wait for more gudu sound. Now the gudu has begun. So let's take the measuring scoop and approximately we will add 1.5 scoop into this utensil. Approximately. You should have general knowledge. Now I've added approximately 1.5 spoon and now let it make more gudu sound. It has been 8 to 10 minutes since the mixture has been boiling. Now we will take the wooden stick. It is a very important process. Take a thick cloth to hold the utensil from the side, and now you have to start stirring with lot of energy. See? The mixture starts becoming hard. Then you have to keep it on the floor and stir it in such a way that there are no lumps in the ragi flour. Okay? You shouldn't have any lumps. It is a little bit messy but very tasty and healthy. Nicely put in all the anger that you have on your husband. I am putting my anger of Mangesh. Okay? Now we shall apply a little bit of desi cow ghee on top of the sheet. Okay? So that the mixture doesn't get stuck to the sheet. Let us take the mixture and place it on the sheet. You know, in olden days, our ancestors gave this recipe based on our climate. So if you don't follow ancestor, not only coronavirus, coronavirus also will attack you people. Okay? So we have to press the mixture using the sheet from all sides and make it into a goal. Okay? Make it look in like a perfect goal. Like my face. See? Now the goal is getting ready. It will be a little hard. You will get used to it. Okay. Now the goal is ready. Come. Let me show you the ragi goal. See? The ragi goal looks so beautiful. So, we have completed our Desi style ragi goal. Now, we will put a little ghee in the middle. Okay? It is very tasty. Now I have made kai goju. Kai goju is a
sambar made with your hands, fingers. So now I will give this to Mangesh and we'll see how he will like my dish.
We will see Mangesh's reaction. Let us ask him how it is. Oi Mangesh! Mangesh! Come, your dinner is ready.
Oh, coming madam, coming madam. Oh. Wow, what talent, my wife is very talented. You also come now, Nino. Aha. What smell? Meena. Anyways, I will eat and finish. Ah. Meena, bring water, Meena. In today, very nice mudde my wifey makes that Papa Pandu doesn't have this luck. No? Wow. She's not like my wife. She's like my mother. Meena, did you tell your viewers that you have to swallow the ragi cola? Did you tell them that you have to swallow it, not chew it? You can't chew it. You have to swallow it. You made kai goju, Meena, my favorite. This throat, no, if coronavirus is stuck in throat, my Meenu's ragi goal will wash it away. Aha, Meenu, you are brilliant. What a wife I have. Enjoy your ragi goal. Try it at home. If you want any kai goju recipe, please contact Meenu. Aha, Meenu, live long, Meenu.
Start.
Good man.
Start.
Be careful, okay?
Start. Ready. Start.
Start ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?